So we're here boondocking in Indian Bread recreation area, or outside of Indian Bread. And it's really windy out, so I can't really videotape outside. So I'm just showing you. Got the horses tied up and putting the fence in area there. And this is our view. Right outside our door. Kind of cool.
Home sweet home.
We decided to sell the farm and hit the road. We're on an adventure of a lifetime with our 2 horses, our 2 motorcycles, and our 2 dogs. I'm Rhonda, and this is Jay. We are Pleasure Ride RV. Hit the subscribe button to follow on our next adventure.
This one did move one time.
Oh yeah. Whew. Bit of a hike. Here's the motorhome right there.
Let's play a game of dominoes.
What are you doing, Libby? Turtle, come on. There's nothing holding these here. There's nothing really holding them here. Where are the coyotes? They're like way out there. You can hear them. Don't you fall off this rock.
Hey, only hold on by a little bit up there and a little bit up there. Okay, we're at the very top of this. Coyotes are way over there someplace. The motorhome is right down there somewhere. Yeah, right there. Right there's the motorhome. That's the main interstate way over there. Go over here, and then you'll see more campers up there and all the way over to there. Now, due to the length of our unit, we couldn't get in. There's a whole section over there by that yellow sign there, and through there, all up in there is, it's a little tight for us, so I decided to come down here. Okay, that sucker's gonna be huge.
Looks like it's got arms and a hat. Whatever.
Okay, go out and go back down.
So we're off for a ride today here at outside of Bowie, Arizona. We're just off of Happy Camp Canyon Road. So we're boondocking here for, I don't know, 5-6 days, I guess. And so we're gonna see if we can find any kind of trails up through these mountains up here. There's a lot of cow paths everywhere. There's cows in here. So we're just gonna mosey on around, see what we can find. I know. There's hardly anything holding those rocks up there. These rocks here, they look like they've been piled like somebody lived up here. It's actually really cool. Wow, this is really neat up here. Weaving up and down rocks. Come on, this way, honey. Well, we're gonna go higher. Okay, don't leave me here. Well, you cut me off. Over some rocks. A lot of cows up there at one time.
Yeah, this is the pooping area. This is where they poop a lot. You like the Wild Wild West?
Yeah, we were up there, riding across the top, but then we kind of didn't want to do some rock sliding, so we decided to do a bit of a detour, come down here and try and go back up from down here. Pretty cool though, all these rocks. Oh, better pay attention.
We find a bag of gold and you know, we had to stop.
A bag of gold. Really?
You never know.
Tough climb, wasn't it, Jack? Yeah. Good boy. Doesn't look like it's far down, but it is. And then we have this over here. It's pretty cool. A lonely pine tree. A lonely pine tree. What's that? Oh, yeah, it looks pretty deserty. More BLM campers coming in. So we did try and get up there, but it was a little bit too extreme.
Not extreme. You don't need suction cups on their boots.
Rock. Okay, slow down. Hang on. Oh.
Huh?
Just an FYI for those of us that are Canadian and don't come down here to the desert, I'm gonna fair warn you, these cactuses here, they hurt. They stab you like needles. If you rub up against it, it'll poke you, and it just feels like a knife jab in India. They look nice and soft, but they're not.
You shoot across to the right. Yeah?
No?
Then you shot down further, because you can't get through the fence.
Big jackrabbit. Straight ahead of me?
No, no, to the right a little bit. 1 o'clock. Out in there somewhere.
great big huge jackrabbit in here. No, he must have got through the fence. First thing on my list when I get to a clothing store or a tack shop or someplace, I gotta get me some chaps or some chinks, one of the two, because it's ripping the crap out of my pants. It kind of sucks, but everything here's got needles and thorns on them, so they rip the crap out of your clothes. Jason ripped his pants down by his ankle, basically ripped a hole right through him. Looks like an old farmhouse. Oh, honey, whoa. Looks like an old farmhouse, but no, I don't want to get close to that. That looks like an old well.
Yeah, I'm gonna go check it out. Come on.
Oh, maybe not. I'm gonna have to go back down there. Get up this way. Come on.
Come on.
Oh, no, I'm stuck here. Just had to climb some rock to get up here, but we're up here. It's kind of cool. It's got... Something's been pitting out the rocks. Over there is Indian bred rock recreation. I believe the bathrooms are over there. Whew. It's quite the climb up here. It doesn't look like it though, but it is. Wish this GoPro could show you the layer of mountains back there. Is just beautiful. Don't know if you can see it or not, but the motorhome is right there, way down there. We're up here in the boulders. Walk the horses up the rocks.
Okay, right there, Rhonda. Straight, turn her this way. These lovely, soft-looking things that Rhonda was talking about. See, look at these things have like little pricklies right on them, and that's what hurts. And those things hurt. They're like razor sharp. So, I mean, other than that, it's okay here. But right there, that's when it pokes you, and they hurt bad. There's a bunch of them. And then there's Honey, her mom and Honey. Say, show me, show me.
We're on the rocks.
Who's bigger than who?
Isn't she beautiful? She's my beauty queen.
She looks tall and big compared to you.
I know, well she is.
You look like a midget.
I am a midget compared to her. She's huge. She's part draft.
But,
she's also cut herself by the looks of it.
well, no, down for them. Right
No,
in
it's
there.
up here and it just dripped down through her hair. So we're heading out this morning. We're going into Bowie, Arizona to Mountain View RV Park. We're gonna do some laundry, get some propane, dump our our tanks and refill them and carry on. So join us on our next adventure, and don't forget to subscribe
And like.
and hit the bell notification so you don't miss our next video. And don't forget,
Live.
love,
Ride.